Let's make clouds. Click on the cloud pieces at the side of the screen and put them in the sky to make whatever you want. It's beautiful! Ooh. Ah! It's beautiful! Ooh. Ah! Ooh. Ah! Ooh. Ah! Ooh. Ah! What a beautiful sky! What a beautiful sky! Click on the green button to make the clouds move. Click on the red button to stop the clouds from moving. Ooh, Elmo loves your cloud picture. Wow, look, footprints. Match the footprints to find out who made them. Click on the cloud with the footprint that looks the same as the ones on the beach. Of course! An elephant! Yay! Hello, elephant! Wow! More footprints! Click on the cloud. A slithery snake in the sand. See you, slithery snake. Wow! More footprints. Click on the cloud. The duck made the footprints with his webby feet. Hello, duck. Quack, quack, quack. By the way, nice feet. Wow! More footprints. Click on the cloud. Oh, a rabbit. Hop along, rabbit. Wow! More footprints. Click on the cloud. Ooh, a beautiful deer. Oh, dear.